Hello everyone, I am Barkha from InsurTech and Webner. Today in this video, I am going to explain about the new AL3 parser build we have with new flags added to it. It's a much faster Infinity edition with several powerful flags added to it to help you work with AL3 parsing. To begin with, I want to show you the AL3 parser zip file that you will receive when you buy the WinsurTech AL3 parser build. This solution works for Windows and Linux operating systems. You need to unzip the file and all the contained files will be extracted in this folder. I have already done that. You can see the AL3 parser.exe, which is the parser, and you can also see the AL3 parser license.exe file, which helps you connect your license key. To obtain a license key, send us an email at contact@winsurtech.com. You can also see a readme 3.5.2 text file which contains all the commands and their syntax that I'm going to demo here. You can run AL3 parser through the cmd command window or through the shell on Linux based operating systems. Here this demo is on Windows. Programmatically, your programmers will run the same commands through code to automate the parsing process. Our team can provide you with a sample code to invoke the parser with any programming language. The first step is to connect your license key. We already have a license key for this demo, so we will connect it first. I am running the command to connect the license key. As you will see, the key is connected here. Let us now begin the parsing process. With AL3 parser help command, you can see the syntax to run the parser with each supported flag that can be used with the command. To parse a file, the simplest syntax is AL3 parser, AL3 file path, OF is equal to AMS map. The OF flag in the command stands for the output format. We support several output formats like XML, detailed JSON, Excel, CSV and PDF as well. But for this demo, I will use AMS map, which is a simple format to get the data. Now we will click on the enter button. So you will see the message parsing completed, and you can also see the location of the output file as well. So it creates an AL3 output folder automatically and plays the output file here. Let me open the file in the browser and show the output to you. As you can see, with AMS map, the values of the AL3 data are shown in the key value pairs. Moving forward, if you want your file to be saved in a specific location instead of the AL3 output folder, you need to specify your output location in the command. I will show you how. Now, I will use the OL flag, which means the output location flag is equal to your output folder path. It indicates that I want this folder to keep the output file. Parsing is completed and you will find your downloaded AL3 file has been placed in the specified folder location. Now let's move on to the next flag. Now we have PX flag, which means postfix. A substring with this flag can be specified to add to each output file name. You can include it in the file name. Let me show you how. Now I'm writing the flag PX is equal to XYZ. My input file name is this, and I have written the flag and also the postfix which we want to convert the file. Now let's check out. Parsing is completed. You will notice this is the output file, and that XYZ substring has also been added to the name. So our next flag is OB, which means you can omit all the blank values in your AL3 file. I'll show you how. This time we will use the omit blank flag. So our value would be OB is equal to Y. Parsing is completed. If you go through the output file, you will see the file which I saved now is smaller in size. It's 18 KB, and the file which I saved earlier, the size is 70 KB. It means all the blank values have been removed from the output. I have opened these two files in the browser, and this is the previous file, and you will see in the first group there are number of blank values, but if you go through the new downloaded file, you will find all the blank values have been removed. Similarly, if you want to remove all the question marks in the file, you can remove it with the help of the question mark flag. This flag is used to omit all the question mark values in the output AL3 file. Let me show you how you can do this. So now I am specifying an additional flag. OQM is equal to Y. Parsing has been completed. Let's go through the output file. So you will find the size of this output file is further smaller now at 14 KB. I have already opened this file in the browser. This is my previous file and this is my new downloaded file. You will see here there are so many fields having question marks, like if you go through the NAIC code, SIC code, citizenship country, and many more having question marks field. But if you go through this new file, you will find all the question marks fields have been removed. One more thing I want to show you is that in the AL3 file there are several ACORD coded values like P for personal, auto P for private passenger, automobile, etc. By default, when you parse the file with AL3 parser, it shows you the same coded value in the output. Like if you look at the value of this element, policy type routing code, you can see P here. Now let me again convert the same AL3 file to JSON with RC is equal to y. Here RC flag means replace code. It will convert all coded values to the full form. Let me open the output file now, and as you can see here that the value of P has changed to the full form personal lines. So this is the advantage of using RC flag. Besides, I would like to share that we have another special output format that we call as AMS map raw, which gives you both the code and full form value together in the output. This flag is very powerful because it also gives you the raw value from AL3 file for every element. Our parser properly formats the currency and date values, while the original raw value in AL3 is not like this. Let me again parse the AL3 file with AMS map raw as the output format. Now I will open the converted file. So you can see that policy type routing code has both descriptive value and the code. This is also true for all other elements. And you can also see that for date values, the original AL3 value is in the curly braces. The same is true for currency values like current term amount. So in this way, AMS map raw is a very powerful output format. One more thing I want to show you. If you have a file who have multiple policy transactions, but you want each policy transaction output in a separate file, then it would be possible with our next flag, which is a split flag. In the AL3 file path, I am pasting my new AL3 file path who have multiple policy transactions. Now I am adding an additional flag. SF means split file is equal to y. Parsing is completed. Let's check the output file. So you will see there are multiple files are created, and if you open these files, you will see there is a single policy transaction in each file. So there are several more important flags that I will summarize before ending this video. You can parse all the files contained in a folder or in a zip file. If you are also using our AL3 creator, then you can use creator CSV output format, which will give you exact same CSV format that our creator takes as input to create new AL3 files. You can also get ACORD code list names and supported values. These are commands for that as well. So you can see our AL3 parser build is a powerful tool. I hope this video was useful. I will be back with another video very soon. If you need any help with AL3, ACORD forms, AMS, CRM, PMS, or any other insurtech solutions, please contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.